Hi, I'm Ryan, and today we're going to look at doing indents and hanging indents in Google Docs. What we go through in Google Docs will usually work with most word processing software packages, so you can take what you learn here and use it in Google Docs or use it in other packages. So I've already got a document started. So here's my document, and you'll notice my paragraphs aren't indented. Depending on how you feel about indents, a lot of times you'll want them indented by 1/2 inch. Well, how do you do that? Up here in the ruler, there is a triangle and a square. The square, rectangle, let me get the correct terminology here. The rectangle is the indent of the first line of a paragraph. So if I'm in this paragraph here and I move the rectangle over to 1/2 inch, that just pertains to the first line, and the triangle pertains to the rest of the lines in the paragraph. Now you notice when you do this, it only affects the current paragraph you're on, and that also goes for tab stops. If you wanted to change it for all your paragraphs, you'd want to highlight them first and then set the top line to be a 1/2 inch and leave the triangle over there, and boom, now they're all indented by a 1/2 inch. If I hit return to start a new paragraph from a paragraph that's already indented, like right here, it will automatically indent for me, and it'll keep that setting for the rest of the document as you hit return and go. So what I usually tell people is set that up at the very start before you write your document, or you're going to have to go in, highlight paragraphs, and do it for each paragraph. Now, if you want a hanging indent where the first line stays to the left margin and every other line after that is indented by 1/2 inch, we need to put the triangle out to the 1/2 inch and the rectangle back where the left margin is. This only affects the paragraph you're on. So my biography, I've already got a biography written in here. I'm just going to highlight that so I know what I'm affecting here. Now we need the triangle, which is the lines after the first line, to be indented. Well, if I just grab it, it grabs that rectangle too. And I don't know why word processors do this, but most of them do. And so it's hard to set that because it grabs it all. But it does let you grab the rectangle separately. Why? I don't know. So to do the hanging indent, you have to do a double. Drag the triangle over to the 1/2 inch, and then you have to put the rectangle back to the left margin. And now they're hanging indents. If I add another one here, so as you add, once I have that set, it's going to keep them all. So once you set that indent, and if I just hit return to create a new paragraph from a paragraph that has the indent set, it's going to continue that on. If I click down here where I had some lines after that, I didn't highlight it, it sets my indents back to normal. So it's a real pain because it's a paragraph by paragraph, and a paragraph is lines of text until you hit return. But if I click up here and hit return, you'll notice it stays the same for this next paragraph. So you can always continue on, and you'll get the hang of it after a while. I try to set those at the start, and you notice you can have different settings for the indents depending on where you are in your document. Nice and quick and easy video today. If you like what you see, hit the like button, and be sure to check out my website over at educate.me. Stay classy.